Hello friends, welcome to LMSAA. So in this video, I am going to show you an interesting and must needed AI template for all the researchers. So this will be very helpful for you, those who are struggling to answer the reviewer or editor comments from journals. So if you are struggling to answer editor or reviewer comments from journals, so this template will help you to answer all the reviewer and editor comments perfectly, and you can use that comments in your research paper, and also you can provide that answer to reviewer comments using this AI template. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI template and how you can use that AI template for your answering your reviewer questions. For that, first go to lmssolution.net.in. So in this, you will be having an option called LMSAA. So you can just click on this LMSAA. So in this LMSAA, you will be having different kinds of LMSAA templates. So these are the different kinds of LMSAA templates available. So in this video, I am going to show you an interesting AI template. This template is called Reviewer Response Generator. So you can just click on this Reviewer Response Generator. So this is the dashboard of this Reviewer Response Generator. So in this, you have to upload your research paper manuscript, and then you have to add reviewer questions. So the first step is to upload the manuscript. So I am having the manuscript here. So I am going to desktop. So before that, you have your manuscript in PDF. After that, you can just click on the option called upload. So after that, you can add the reviewer question. So here I am having the reviewer question here. So these are the 10 reviewer comments. So first I am going to give the first reviewer comments. So just to copy this, go to the respective dashboard, add the reviewer comments. So after that, click on generate response. It will take several seconds to generate the reviewer response. So it will analyze that research paper what we have uploaded. So based upon that reviewer question, so it will analyze and generate the perfect reviewer response. So you can use the same in your research paper also to answer the questions. So here comes the first reviewer comment. The paper claims novelty in applying sunflower optimization algorithm for MPPT, but the author should emphasize how the proposed approach differs from other recent bio-inspired methods such as GWO, FPA, HHO beyond convergence, speed and efficiency. A clear comparative innovation statement is needed in the abstract and conclusion. Here you will see the author response. We sincerely thank the reviewer for this valuable suggestion. In the revised manuscript, we have added a comparison innovative statement in both abstract and conclusion to clarify the novelty of sunflower optimization algorithm. Here specifically we emphasize that while the other bio-inspired methods like that, it will provide a detailed answer. So this will be very helpful for you to get the perfect answer for your reviewer question, and you can answer the same for your answer to reviewer comments. Here this is for reviewer comment 2, reviewer comment 3, and then reviewer comment 4, and then reviewer comment 5. So in the same way you can do for rest of the comments also. So you can just copy the reviewer comments from 6 to 10. So go to the respective dashboard here. So and then you can paste the comments and then just click on generate response. So it will analyze the reviewer questions from 6 to 10. So and it will give the perfect answer for that respective reviewer questions by analyzing your uploaded manuscript. So this will be very helpful for you to analyze your research. Here you can see this reviewer comments, author response, reviewer comments, author response. All this will be given as answers. So the author response will be given as answers. So we have included the discussion on computational complexity and implementation feasibility of SFO algorithm. The answers will be only the answers will be given for that respective comments. These are the questions what we have given based upon that respective questions. So this is for the answer for 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. This is how you can generate reviewer response and make your answer to reviewer comments easy. So if you are struggling to answer reviewer comments, don't forget to use this respective AI template to answer the respective reviewer comments. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so you can just click on the option called plans and pricings. So here you can see at basic plan at just 199, so you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month, and you can get one plagiarism plus AI report per plan. So you can have unlimited access to all our LMS AI templates for 1 month. In the same way, the best value pack is 999, so you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 year, and you can get 12 plagiarism and AI report per plan, and also you can access course on demand videos. And the important thing is that you can have unlimited access to LMS AI template for 1 year. This is how you can subscribe our LMS AI templates. Our main objective is to make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.